Hi everybody. I'm over here today at my camper, my little Runaway Camper, and I'm going to put a cover on it. So I have the cover here, just took it out of the bag, and the first thing I have to do, by recommendation of another Runaway owner, Kevin, is these corners right here. I am going to put some protection on those because he said that they will rip my cover. So what I did is I went to Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how long this will last, but it's what I have for now. This is Velcro, which I'm going to put here. And then also at Dollar Tree, these are from the baby department. If you can see these. They are corner guards, safety corner guards that you would put on tables and things. They have larger ones at Walmart. These I got at Dollar Tree, and they're maybe a little over 1/4 inch deep. And for $1, I'm gonna try them. So I'm gonna put the Velcro on first, or actually these have 3M tape on the back. I can see it in the package. So I'm gonna put those on, and that should protect the corners from ripping the cover. So I will be right back with you after I do this. See, it's all done. That was pretty easy, really. You just put it over, and then there's 3 ties that go under the camper to hold it in place. It's breathable fabric, and so it should not cause any mold. Would be great if it had a door entrance, but I'm not going to be in and out of it a lot, so I just will take it off for my next trip, and we'll be ready. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to show you the brand name. And now, like I said, it's Classic Accessories. And then, like I said, I will leave a link down below so you can purchase your own on Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button to follow along, and then a little bell will come up, and if you select all, you'll get an email notification every time I post a new video. So happy camping, everyone. Bye.